that treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. So I bought some products and everything and stuff I'm using, and I got dough in my fingers. Oh, curious? You gotta go check out the other channel. So I got some black seed oil, which is this right here, and you know the smells like turmeric and cumin. But I wouldn't think cumin is black seed, but I've researched that and they're two different things. So anyway, this is the black seed oil and I got. So I thought it came with a dropper. No, this right here. So the other day I was like trying to put together, I'm like, well, this ain't a dropper, you know, a dropper. No, like this, you know. Squeeze the top and you go in and you squeeze and get what you need, you know. No, that's not what it is. So I looked at it really closely. Y'all see that? It's a dropper, but it's a different kind of dropper. Okay. Alright, so it's not one that you like a regular one we think. You squeeze the top and stuff comes up in it, and then it's a dropper that goes in there, and the oil comes on this. So we're gonna put this together. So it goes on like this. So it's there, it stays in there. And then we're gonna put it in here. So it goes in like this. And when it comes out, the oil does drop, but not like we think. So that is a different type of dropper. I've never seen one like that before. So again, and then the oil just drops down. So I'm trying to make it so, you know, if you need to zoom in, you can, because if I get too close to the camera, it seems like it, yeah, and it goes out of focus. But that's how that dropper is used. I thought that was pretty interesting. Now it does have a strong scent and strong smell to it, so I'm sorry. Trying to get that dough from underneath my fingernails. So if mix it with something, I'm going to mix it with my nighttime blend that I made, because I want to put it on and see how it's going to do at nighttime and all. So I'm just like working on getting things that my body needs, stuff that probably my body hasn't absorbed for years, but now, you know, it's time to reverse that. I don't know about reverse aging, but, you know, reverse the process of the doctors giving excuses. Oh, it's just age and this, that, and other. Like, no, it's not age, because this has been happening to me all my life, you know. So I am looking forward to trying this and see how it works. We'll give it 30 days, and I'll let y'all know how it's working. So stay tuned. And thank y'all for watching. We love y'all. God bless. And have a wonderful and blessed day. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.